In a quiet little house on a quiet little street lived Leo, a quiet little cat, or so it seemed. As the morning sun peeked in, Leo was dreaming sweet dreams of, well, probably giant catnip mice. Tickle must resist the urge. Achoo! Woof, what in the dog biscuits was that? Earthquake? Alien invasion? Good heavens, did a truck just drive through the living room? Squawk! Alert! Alert! Seismic activity detected! Tweet, tweet! Meow? Did something happen? My, what a refreshing breeze! Still got it. That feather never stood a chance. Leo, was that you again? Grr, some alarm clock you are, cat. Squawk, the tiny orange noise machine strikes again.